today. My name is Jadana Belisa Simon and I'm from HM241. For this presentation, I will present my individual assignment for HTT511 Digital Technology in Tourism. My assignment topic for today, I will talk about the digital technology and area that I choose is electronic ticketing system in airline perspective area. So let's start it. Before I present about the digital technology that I choose in airline area, I will talk about digital technology in tourism industry. According to June and Mega 2012, the growth of computer-related technologies and the wider acceptance of the internet led to changes in internet user behaviors. Besides, e-commerce has increased highly in order to develop a new marketplace for many industries such as travel and tourism, entertainment, hotel, transportation, and also airline industry. The growing of this digitalization, demand and evolving expectation of passengers require a new ways of using technologies to enhance operational process and the world travel experience. Next, let's move for the introduction about digital technology that I choose in airline area. Digital technology that I choose in electronic ticketing system in airline, and the abbreviation of electronic ticketing system is e-ticket system. So, what is e-ticket? E-ticket is an electronic ticket, also known as an e-ticket, is a paperless document that is used to purchase tickets for events like concert, park and recreation, flights, and many more. This is by Hannah Katie in 2022. The e-ticket can be printed at home or at the venue ticket counter after being saved in database due to its affordability, ease of use, and environmental friendliness. This practice is becoming more and more preferred choice. While according to Alexov 2022, an airline e-ticket is a document granted by an airline or travel agency to a passenger as a confirmation that a person has both a seat or flight. Next, this is the history of the electronic ticketing in airline. This history is according to Peterson H. Kakon in 2023. Around the 1950, from end of the Second World War until the late 1960s, the flight ticket was often placed in a small folder known as the ticket wallet. Around 1990, electronic ticketing paved the way for airline check-in. The first e-ticket was issued in 1994 and 1997. IATA had adopted global standard for e-ticketing. In 2018, IATA announced 100% ticketing was electronic, which means that airlines no longer needed to produce physical tickets starting in the late 1940s. Passengers could check in airline and print out a boarding pass at their home. This is the airline ticketing process. As we can see here, for a passenger who buy the flight via a website, it may seem like a single flow since everything goes smoothly and fast. But in fact, there are three separate steps, each consisting of multiple procedures. The first step is the flight search that can happen on different platforms, which are from an airline webpage, online travel agency, or meta search engines. For example, a platform like Google Flight or Skyscanner aggregate information from OTA and airline center reservation system to show the widest possible range of options. Step number 2 is booking. After a passenger select a curtain ride, the retailer, ATC and airline website or OTA, then check with the CRS if the option is still available at the same time. then it collects a traveler's data to create a passenger's name record. The system generates booking reference, which is a unique code that serves as an address of the passenger's name record file in the CRS and confirm the reservation. Travelers receive such codes via email and use them back to track their flight status, change the itinerary details, or cancel the trip. At the last step, the passenger's name record is not enough to enable ticketing. For the purpose, Verb and Light and OTA employ payment gateway, which are the third-party services that process electronic transaction and ensure data security. Today, in most cases, passengers pay for the flight immediately after they enter all booking info. To note that receipt does not allow people to board the plane. To take the seat on flight, customers have to check in online or at the airport and receive a boarding pass via printed or electronic printed by airline departures control system. So, the electronic ticketing system work for the tourism and travel agency, streamline the process of booking and managing travel arrangement. This is because all travelers doing online reservation when they going on the trip. For example, travelers book their flights, accommodations, and other services through online platforms or mobile apps. These platforms are integrated with an electronic ticketing system. There are undoubtedly some significant advantages of e-ticketing system rather than paper-based one. First, it is convenience. When purchasing an e-ticket, there is no need to worry about forgetting our ticket at home or losing it on our trip. It stores our names in central database. We just bring along our email confirmation and photo ID, and we can breeze through security without any wait or hassles. Next, it is sustainable tourism. E-ticket lessens use of trees, so it's environmentally sustainable. Since most e-tickets are paperless, this means we will save our money on printing costs. Buying e-ticket is a good option for us because they are accessible from anywhere and stay time. Last but not least, it can saving our time. It can reduce traveling time and get ticket physically. Moreover, the physical ticket should be get in different place. But in case of e-ticketing, the passenger can book ticket immediately from the home. So, it can save our time to buying ticket without need to line up in a long line at the ticket purchase counter. Lastly, easy payment and receiving system. Payment towards the booking, e-ticketing, and receiving the cancellation money are easy today through e-ticketing. Digital payment is done through internet banking, credit and debit card, and also digital wallets. We don't need more of physical currency in e-ticketing. Although e-ticketing has many advantages, it also has some disadvantages. Firstly, the difficulty in changing last-minute travel schedule. E-ticketing also helps to reserve the ticket in advance, but in the situation when the change in the schedule at last minute requires some additional risk to cancel the ticket and book a new ticket. Secondly, technological problem. E-ticketing is based on technology, so seat availability, date and time provided in the application or website. In case of having error or difficulty in the technology, it can become terrible to manage it. In addition, unable to exchange the ticket. Like an ordinary booking, e-ticketing are not transferable, so any person in the family or friends cannot use the ticket in absence of passengers. This also because at the purchasing tickets is subject to terms and conditions. Let's move to the challenges of electronic ticketing system face. There are three challenges here, which is technical glitch, tackling data challenges, and cybersecurity threats. First challenges of using this electronic ticketing system is technical glitch. E-ticketing systems are susceptible to technical issue which can disrupt customers' access. Outage or glitch during peak times may lead frustration among consumers because of the ticket that they buy. For example, when these people are in emergency and purchasing ticket on that day, but the ticket has a problem because of some information or error information provided that on the e-ticket. This can cause that people cannot using that e-ticket. Secondly, cybersecurity threats. As a ticketing system rely heavily on digital platform, cybersecurity threats will be on concern. This is because all information will be provided on the e-ticket, even that the e-ticket purchase cannot use it by other people, but the information can be sold. Protecting customer data is important from cybersecurity threats. Lastly is tackling data challenges. Managing, analyzing, and security-based amounts of data is complex challenge that the e-ticketing system most challenges. This is because there are more data should be analyzed, especially the booking information and people information. As a conclusion, the future of the e-ticketing system market has a bright future with ample growth opportunities. The integration of technology and data analytics is expected to enhance the personalizations and efficiency of ticketing system. In today's digital age, technology has regulations the way we carry out various activities. The advent of e-ticketing system has transformed the ticketing process, making it more convenient and efficient for both business and customers. As we move towards a more sustainable future, that e-ticket system will be gradually be extends the following destinations. That's all from me. Thank you.